Okay, I have no idea what my 335i is doing right now, but it won't start. And these lights keep flashing and coming on and off the car. I'm not doing anything right now. I have no idea what's going on. This is pretty crazy. Sounds like the fuel pump keeps turning on and off. I'm not quite sure what the fuck's going on. No idea. It's got all kinds of lights on here. Trying to do a system check, it won't work. Every time I hit the brake, I'm not quite sure what the fuck. Any help is great. Appreciate it, guys.